Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I found this bulletin board at the dollar store and I decided I wanted to turn it into a jewelry display. So that's what you see me making here. It comes with the board, the tacks, and it has a little plastic thing that you could put on the back to hang it up if you wanted to. And you could also use the ribbon to hang it up with. Now I didn't use the ribbon, but I used everything else. And if you don't want to use the tacks that's in there with the board, you can buy the little cute tacks that they have at the dollar store. Some of them have hearts and all different types of designs. Or you can either take these tacks and decorate those and put your own little charm on the front of it to make it how you would like it to be. This is pretty much just an easy way to make a inexpensive display. Like if you had to go and do a craft fair, or even if you just wanted to put it up in your room or something just to keep them up out the way. This is a good way to make something and it's inexpensive, and you can have something to put your earrings on. You probably can even do necklaces if you have the same type cards that I have right now. Basically what you see me doing right now is I was arranging them, and then I'm just going to put the tacks in each hole just so it could stay in place, and then you'll be able to stand it up. Or you can either hang it up on the wall, which I'll show you that a little later. And then if you had like a craft fair with a booth, you can hang it up. It just depends on what type of display you want, something that's sitting on the table or something that is hanging up. So you can make that decision based on your preferences. This is the little plastic piece I was telling you about that you could put on the back of the board, which I put it on Cricut. I had to go back and take it off and re-put it back on there. So now that all the tacks are in there, you can stand it up and it's not going to fall off. The dollar store had this powder blue one and the gray one. They also had a pink, but I got these two because that's the color that I like. I'm showing you how I put it up on the wall just to give you an example. Right here, I'm showing you the little stand that you can get from the dollar store. Now, I had this a while ago, so I don't know, do they still sell them? I think they do, but it's when you can catch them in there. But basically, you just put the board in there, and it could be on that, so it can become your little stand. As I said in the beginning, this is just an easy way to make you a display, especially like if you're running out of time or running out of money. This is just a good way to make you a display, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Tell me, what do you think about this idea of making the pin board into a display for earrings or necklaces or any other thing you might think of? That's the back of it. And I think it's just cute. It's something that anyone could do. Well, if you guys decide to do this project, let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.